Instruction manual, electronic components, battery terminal, and 5 different cards. Instruction manual gives step-by-step procedure about creating your own circuits. Let me show you one of the circuits by creating. Let me show you how to connect copper foil to the card. Take the strip little bit out, stick it to one end, remove the sticker paper and push the paper foil. So you have got long length strip. Cut according to size of the strip shown. One and second one. Let me stick these strips now. Make sure you are not taking the sticker completely out, otherwise it's very difficult to stick the copper foil. Now strips are stick to the card. Let's connect components. Take the capacitor and then bend its legs like this. Capacitor has got two terminals, negative, the other one is positive. So make sure you are connecting capacitor as per the terminal. So we have to connect negative terminal here and positive here. So you can see the legs are hanging up in the air. Just try to bend them down so that it will rest on a paper foil. And use the extra sticker to stick on paper foil. Make sure the terminals have been stick to the copper foil correctly, otherwise current will not flow. Take the resistor, here shown 330 ohm. Similarly, terminal should be connected to the paper foil, copper foil. Let's connect LED. LED has got two legs, one is long, one is short. Long leg is called anode, which represents positive side, and short leg is called cathode, which represents negative side. Bend the LED legs as shown and try to stick them onto the paper foil. So now we have connected all electronic components to the circuit. Let's connect battery with the battery terminal. So black is negative, So connect it to negative terminal. Negative sign is here. Red is positive. So now you see the LED is blinking. Now take out one of the terminal. Similarly,